blade speed on the M18 fuel jigsaw is good or better than any other jigsaw I've used, and that includes corded jigsaws.
The M18 fuel jigsaw has a lot more speed than a corded. Speed and power are very important to have a good, straight, clean cut.
We've used the M18 fuel jigsaw on a number of different products, and there's been nothing that even remotely slows it down.
Being able to control the speed with the trigger makes you easily able to adapt on a second for whatever you're cutting. If you're cutting straight line into a radius through hardwood, it still works out perfect. It allows us to make tighter turns, tighter radiuses, and you get a lot less fraying, just a smoother, nicer cut.
The toolless feature for the blade changing is great.
The fact that you can change the angle without using an Allen wrench is a huge added bonus. There's so many times that you cut and you can't see your line because all the material builds up there, and now with the blower switch it clears it all out. It saves you so much time.
Running off the M18 battery, I could probably run it all day.
Nobody wants corded tools anymore. This is by far the best I've ever used. I love it.
Introducing Woodpecker's Drill Press Table. This state-of-the-art design will help woodworkers drill holes in their workpieces with greater speed, accuracy, and repeatability than ever before. Woodpecker's complete drill press table package starts with a large 16 by 23 by 1 inch thick work area with a low friction non-glare microdot laminate surface. The table edges are covered with a durable high-density banding permanently bonded to the MDF core. Now remove the tear out, eliminating filler to reveal 4 leveling screws for a level working surface. Then notice a 3/8 inch centering hole allowing you to center the table to your drill press's drill chuck for a perfect alignment of your table. Your table comes with 2 embedded dual tracks, which are secured by 8 1/4-20 bolts, which eliminates pullout, and each is laser engraved with empirical scales for precise fence positioning. The 36-inch long dual track fence with a laser engraved center type scale makes it easy to use from both sides of the table. The dual track feature allows for stop options like the flip stop or L stop. The new and improved fence bracket now makes it easier than ever to adjust the fence from left to right, or front to back. The beauty of the dual track fence allows you to adjust the fence from side to side, so you can increase the stop range to a full 28 inches. The package includes 2 1-inch flip stops, which can be accurately positioned on the fence, allowing for quick multi-hole drilling of your workpiece. Also included are 2 hold-down clamps with non-slip tips to lock down material for heavy drilling operations. A new optional addition is the DP3 drill press fence. This 3/8 of an inch thick by 3 by 3 by 23.5 inch long fence is machined to give an accurate 90 degrees from the table. It's designed for supporting stock on edge and is great for drilling out mortises. Woodpeckers now offers our new fence bracket kit for our customers who already own our drill press table. The upgrade kit is easy to install and great to use.
It's hard to think of a gluing operation that won't go better and clean up easier than with Rockler's new glue applicator kit. This innovative set comes with an 8-ounce bottle and 4 different tips that let you deliver glue right where you need it. There's a standard spout with an easy grip cap for opening and closing the bottle. But the big news here is the glue line centering attachment. When you're gluing an edge, just slip the attachment over the tip and rotate the bottle. The tip's in position to quickly and easily apply a perfect bead of glue right down the center of your board. The second tip is a silicone brush applicator that includes all the great features of Rockler's regular silicone brush, but lets you apply glue directly from the bottle. It won't shed bristles, and the silicone makes cleanup a breeze. The new roller applicator makes it easier than ever to apply glue over a wide area. Small ribs spread the glue more evenly and prevent the roller from sliding or pushing the glue.
This product was made in the United States of America. If you've ever had a problem with the drill or tap not going in straight, these jigs from Big Gator Tools deserve your full attention. I've used drills and taps for like 50 years, and it turns out there's an easier way to do it. All of the Big Gator guides are made from a high nickel steel alloy and heat treated to be durable. The markings are all clear and easy to read. All of the machining on these guides is very precise and very clean, and that makes them more accurate and easier to use. All of the guides have this V-groove cut in the bottom that makes placing them on rounded stock very easy. The notch at the bottom of the V-groove provides clearance so this tool can set down cleanly on a square corner. The holes in all of the guides are precisely sized so they fit the tools they're meant to hold closely. Being so precise when making these holes ensures that the drills or tap enters the material square, and that results in more accurately sized holes and cleaner cut threads. I've even used the Big Gator drill guide for drilling pilot holes for wood screws. That means even my wood screws go in straight and there's less cracking or pulling of the parts that they hold. Regardless of the material you're working with, the Big Gator Tools drill and tap guides make your jobs easier and more accurate. You also have to consider that these tools come at a very good price and they're made in America.
The Portamate PM4000 from Bora Tool is the most practical, hassle-free stand there is for miter saws or chop saws. It's rugged, dependable, and no-nonsense to provide the pro or enthusiast with the ideal stable, portable platform to get in, get out, and get the job done right. No tools are required for setting up or breaking down the stand. And the quick mount tool attachments give you the freedom to easily remove the saw for transport in virtually any vehicle, for storage, or even for use atop your workbench in the shop. The tubular steel design not only makes the PM4000 strong, it allows for 2 material supports that can be pulled out to support boards up to 10 feet long. Whatever the job requires, if your saw can cut it, the Portamate can support it. Lightweight but never light duty, the Portamate PM4000 from Bora Tools is the lightest, most compact contractor grade stand on.
Make any place your workspace with the Craig Track Horse. This sturdy, versatile, and portable work support makes it easy to set up a workspace anywhere and then store it compactly away when not in use. The steel and aluminum track horse is packed with features that take it beyond the capabilities of an ordinary sawhorse to provide solid support for a variety of DIY and woodworking tasks. Those features start with sturdy, adjustable legs. They fold out and lock in place securely and can be set at 6 working heights to match your needs and your tasks. The legs also fold completely away, which allows you to set up a handy ground-level work platform. With the legs folded, the track horse is also easy to transport to wherever you want to work. Built-in dual-mode clamping adds even more versatility. With the included Craig bench clamp, you can hold items in place in the long track, or place the clamp in either end of the track horse for secure vise-style clamping. And thanks to Craig's AutoMax auto-adjusting technology, you never have to readjust the clamp when you move from one material thickness to another. In addition to holding the clamp, the track can also be used to mount a sacrificial cutting surface on top of the track horse. Simply attach the included bushings to a 2x4 and then slide it into the track. Now you can cut without worrying about damaging the track horse or your saw.
I've got a great tip for you today. If you build a lot of decks or gazebos or porches, you're running into something called crown in the wood. Don't freak out, that's common. Don't go through a whole bunk of lumber at your building supply store trying to find a board that doesn't have crown in it. Crown is this. You see this 5/4 board? I have it attached at the other end like it's supposed to be, but look at the gap that creates. That's because there's crown or a curb in the board. You need something to pull it up, and in some cases you'll have crown that is way out here that's virtually impossible to pull up with your own strength. This is something new that I've fallen in love with. It's great. It's called a bow wrench. Now what this is for is to pull the crown out of a board. If you look down the edge of a board, you'll see a hump in it from one end to the other. If you look at it flat, you'll see a curve in it. Again, that's common, and that's the crown. Now what the bow wrench does, these two pegs that are welded onto the tube fit over the joist. You fit it right over just like this. Then the cam here fits up against the side of your 5/4 board or your 2x6 or whatever you're using. You get it right where you need it. Put a little closer. You see this gap, how it's pulling up? Look at this. And the thing I like best about the bow wrench is that you can lock it in place just like that, and it stays put. Then all you have to do is use your, in fact, I'm going to pull that up a little tighter, like that. All you have to do is use your square drive screws, in my case, with the screw gun, fasten it in place. Now watch when I take the bow wrench off.